Hello, my name is Sam Maliki, and in this video I'm going to talk about data centers and co-locations. There are a lot of interest in the market that we want to pair a data center with an energy storage in operation, or we want to take leverage of the queue position of the energy storage that we have and we want to pair it with the data centers. The first question that comes to mind is that doable or not? And the answer to that is yes, it's doable. Basically, you submit the application for adding a load, but there are certain steps or consideration that I want to go over them with you in this short video. First thing first, the data centers by its own, or the UPS system, don't have the capability to provide fault right through. Basically, whatever happens to the system, they just disconnect it from the network. There are power quality issues with these devices, such as harmonic, flicker, and everything around that. On top of that, there are different type of data centers. The AI data centers are way different than the crypto mining or the one that is used for cloud storage. So we pair them with the energy storage devices, majority of the time in the grid forming mode, to provide that right through capability and voltage support, also fix the power quality issues. Well, that's a beautiful combination, but how a TSP or utility will look into this? In the utility and the TSP perspective, it's more around the reliability of the network. So if you say that, okay, I have my energy storage and the data centers that they work perfectly fine together, the utility needs to make sure that each unit can operate in a reliable manner if the other unit is out of service. So let's assume that I have my energy storage paired with the data centers, but for some reason the energy storage is out of service. So what will happen in that scenario? Well, here's the thing. The data centers now rely on the network to operate. So we don't have right through capability anymore. The power quality issues will come into place because I don't have that grid forming energy storage, and all other issues that I could have resolved with energy storage, which is not there anymore. That's why the utility and the TSP needs to do those studies without energy storage and make sure that it works fine. So here's the thing. The OEM of the UPS system already know that they need to address these issues. The best way moving forward is for them to provide voltage support or frequency support at the UPS level. Then they will be able to reliably connect it to the network without that much relying on the energy storage. So that's one solution. The other is that there should be some negotiation between the developers, OEMs, utility, TSP, to come up with a mechanism of how we actually can ensure that this combination is always there and it works reliably. And then there will be a lot of communication needs to happen. There are working groups that already are working around that around the globe to come up with the regulation and the rules of how exactly we need to look into this type of combination. So yeah, there are a lot of information shared every day. I try to stay on top of the majority of them. There are a lot of working groups I try to attend and a lot of publications. I try to summarize them every week and share it with you. So if you enjoy this video, please share your thought and feel free to reach out to me, and also make sure that to join our newsletter on LinkedIn, that we share more details of data centers and power system studies. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned. Have a wonderful day.